Hello everyone, in this video we will fix an extremely annoying problem in Excel, which is scrolling over the spreadsheet whenever we press any arrows from the keyboard, and it can be extremely annoying when we are working with the spreadsheet. In order to fix this problem, you just need to press the scroll lock key from your keyboard and it will immediately solve the issue. And if you cannot find this key in your keyboard, or your keyboard does not have this key, what you can do is search for the on-screen keyboard, and from the on-screen keyboard unlock this scroll lock key, and this will immediately resolve the issue, and you can be working efficiently again. So this is how you can solve this annoying problem in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for another useful video. Thank you.